Hi all, today I'm going to show you how to do the onboarding of Booth Guru. First of all, I am setting up the event name. Then I update when the event is going to start, what is the end date of the event, and then what is the location of the event. I hit the next button and you need to choose up to 6 demographic questions. Usually I prefer to choose 5, but it's really up to you. Here I chose full name, email address, job title, company name, and phone number. I hit the next button. Now I need to choose what type of people I wish to target. What are the relevant job titles I would like to see? I have 3 options. The first option is to choose what type of people in terms of job titles and job level. So here I chose marketing, management, director, and manager, and some management sales people. On the second option, I have the opportunity to upload a list of job titles, which I'm doing right now. You see the list was uploaded. And now I can also add some relevant job titles that I wish to target as well. Now you need to understand you don't have to choose, you don't have to fill out or update the 3 options. You can do either of them or all of them. It's really up to you. So here I updated the CMO, VP Marketing, Marketing Director, and Sales Director with a comma between them, and I hit the next button. Now I need to choose what type of company I'd like to target. First of all, I can either target one of the Fortune 100, Fortune 500, or Fortune 1000. Right now, I prefer to target only specific list of targeted company names. Here as well, I can just add a file, upload a file of targeted company names, like an Excel with a list of companies, and or I can just type or paste a list of companies from my documents, from my CRM or whatever. Now remember that it's better to have the domain name rather than the company name, because we catch more companies that way. Here I need to um, here I need to choose if I'd like to block free email domains such as Gmail, Hotmail, etc. Or if I wish to let them all play the game, I chose the first option because usually I prefer to block free emails. Here I can just type the email addresses of specific people I'd like to target. As I mentioned before, here I can also update domain names, which is a better way for Booth Guru to target the leads rather than just use the company name, who's usually in many cases really similar. There are similar companies with similar names, and it's better to add just the domain name here instead or in addition. Uh, if we choose a specific email address, then if the person will be at the booth, you will probably know about this. Here I can also update blacklisted fields such as email address, job title, and company name. The first option will allow you to upload a list of blacklisted leads in terms of 3 main columns, one for email address or email domain, job title, and company. The second option will be to type or paste a list of blocked email addresses or email domains. The third option will allow you to type or paste a list of blocked job titles. And the fourth option will allow you to type or paste a list of blocked company names. Don't forget to use comma between each item. I hit the next button, and then here you can target the country list if you chose the country field at the beginning of this video. Then you should update which type of countries you wish to target, and in that case, if somebody is from this country, he will get additional score in a way, like a backend score. Here you can upload your company logo with a transparent background. Please remember that the best height width ratio should be 1:5. For example, 50 height by 250 width. Then I hit the next button, and here you can update the qualifying questions. You can type a question that shouldn't be very long. This is why I limited here the width of the question. And here you can either type or paste your answers, the relevant answers. Now, the first and second questions that I'm showing you here are just relevant select questions, but the third one is a select all that apply. So in a way, the first and second question, people will just pick and choose the relevant answer, while on the third one, they will be able to select multiple answers in the checkboxes. You can update up to six answers per each question, and you're limited to four questions right now. If you're choosing an answer of other, then um, a text message will appear to the visitor, so you can type additional information at the other field. So once I ended up updating the questions and answers, I hit the next button, and then I'm being asked if I'm going to use a big screen TV at the booth. Now you can have the option of using a big screen TV at the booth, and then at the television you can present your video or slides. Now the question is, are you interested to use for the video or slides and Booth Guru winners? And if the answer is yes, then you have the option of uploading a video file, MP4 video, or images file, JPEG files with I think up to 10 files, 3 megabyte each. And the screen resolution of both, either video or the images, should be 1920 by 1080. Here you can see how the winner image is going to look. You can either use our own default image, or you can just upload your own. Just keep in mind that the written content should be at the top of the file, so keep in mind not to overwrite it. And that's it, more or less. Now, please remember that after submitting the form, you can always edit your response and add some more information. The only difference is that you cannot upload again an Excel file. So if you wish to upload an updated file, just send it to us directly by email. If you wish to change some of the questions or some of the answers, some of the definitions, just update whatever you want to change and let us know that you have changed something in the file, so we can just review and update our own solution. In the near future, this Google form thing will be part of our own system, so it will be much convenient to make changes, and much more convenient to understand better what the steps are. And I believe that there will be additional steps that will be added. Right now, I limited the process to make sure that it will be as easy as possible. The next step would be to take the questions and answers. We will put them on our system, and then you'll be able to have a look at the application, how the questions and answers look, and then we can start talking about the relationship between the questions, the answers, and what type of persona should be targeted as a hot lead accordingly. For example, the first question might be very important to you, while the last one is less important. And we will have a short meeting to understand better what is the relationship between the questions, the answers, and the demographic questions as well, so we can build this properly. I think that that's it for now, and good luck. And we're here for any additional questions you might have. Thank you.